the history of St. Charles High School, Stateport, Lingarajpuram. The Sisters of St. Charles Borromeo have been striving very hard to keep up to the legacy of our founder, Reverend Father Adrian Bracey, and patron St. Charles Borromeo. For more than 12 years, St. Charles High School has been evolving and expanding in line with advances in curricular and co-curricular activities, infrastructure, and technology to provide holistic education to every child under our care. The school history includes numerous significant innovations and growth over the years, and these advances in the school's work have been made possible only because of the support of our management, the dedicated members of the staff, parents, and you dear students. At St. Charles, we believe that each child is a unique individual with special gifts and talents. We hope that with our motivation, encouragement, and hard work, all our students will discover their individual talents and soar to great heights, presenting the history of our esteemed institution.
You have resources yet to be unleashed. Make bold, courageous choices. Live as though you have the power to change the world because you do. By Carolyn Miss. The foundation stone for the construction of our school was laid by Reverend Sister Janet D'Souza, our Provincial Superior, on 15th January 2010. Later, it was inaugurated by our Honorable Home Minister Shri K. J. George on 21st June 2013. Here, we would like to fondly remember and acknowledge our heartfelt gratitude to the then Superior General, Reverend Mother Benedicta Lobo, for her constant support and guidance in all our endeavors. The cross in our emblem signifies love and sacrifice. The shield signifies justice and equanimity. The beehive signifies unity and team spirit. The bees signify hard work, competition, and loyalty. The letter SCB signifies communion and harmony. Lilies and violets signify purity, simplicity, and humility. The motto of our school is to achieve toil, faith, progress in the field of education. Our mission is to impart education, fostering love of learning, integrity, and social responsibility for holistic development. Our vision focuses to be the center of excellence in education, developing personal and academic competencies to build a sustainable and inclusive society. Our infrastructure includes beautiful campus with the blooming buds flourishing from primary and the senior branches. We have a library, computer lab, staff rooms for the teaching staff, well-furnished classrooms, beautiful garden with a variety of plants and trees. The clubs include Charlie and Bees, YSM, Eco Club, Maths Club, Science Club, and Language Clubs. With ordinary talent and extraordinary perseverance, all things are attainable, by Thomas Foxwell Burton. Our co-curricular activities include literary competition, art and craft, drawing, cooking, and many more. Sports do not build character, they reveal it. Our proud achievers are finally thanking God. To be grateful is to recognize the love of God in everything He has given us, and He has given us everything. By Thomas Merton.
The candle that gives light to others must itself be consumed. St. Charles Borromeo. Dear viewers, if you have enjoyed the video, kindly like, subscribe and click the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.